Hey there, good people. Welcome to our easy guide to Excel. Today we are talking about a cool, very simple trick called the upper function. Imagine you have words and you want to make them all capital letters. That's where the upper function comes in. So, let's try to make this hello into a big letter. So you come and type equal sign, upper, click on the cell that your string is and just close the parenthesis and hit enter. And boom, it has changed our hello from small letters to capital letters. It's easy, right? But upper can do more than just making words big. You can use it for lots of things. Like if you have a list of names and you want to make them all in big letters. Let's try with this list. Type upper function. Again, it's very simple, this one. Click on the cell reference that you have, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and voila! It has changed all the list of our names into capital letters in a millisecond. And now the texts are big and easy to read. Cool, right? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And be sure to check out our previous videos for even more helpful, simple content. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you and God bless.